All right, you're not gonna believe this. Come here. Most of the boxes on this shelf are unopened roller skates. This is embarrassing. Some of these skates I bought, some of them were sent to me by brands or friends, but all of them have never been skated and most of them have never even been opened. So today I am going to unbox all of the roller skates that I have never skated. Let's try this one. I know what this one is. Okay, so these I have opened once just to look at. Never skated in them, but here we have PBR roller skates. Oh, here we go. A fish. Rose Loves Ugly on Instagram actually sent the link to these. She sent it to me and I was like, that's so random. I'm gonna buy them. I don't know why, but they're definitely like low quality skates. Like they were just a novelty. I don't really know why I bought them. I just thought it'd be funny to make a video in PBR roller skates, but I never did. So these are definitely like lower quality skates, but I was just looking. These laces are awesome. Check these out. I'm gonna take the laces out of these and use them for something. I would say me wanting to skate these skates on a scale of 1 to 10 is like 2. I really don't have any interest in even putting these on my feet. So if you have an idea of what I should do with them, let me know in the comments below. Next. All right, so I'm gonna pick one that's never been opened at all because I don't even remember what this might be. I have no idea what these are. It's kind of fun. Unboxings are fun. Dark Magic. Oh, I think I know what these are. These are the C7 roller skates. Oh, those are bright. I bought these skates to review and I never got around to it, but these are definitely let's try that again. Ooh. This is actually a lower price point skate, definitely a beginner skate. I've been seeing this brand pop up more and more. I've been getting more and more questions about them. So I actually bought these with my own money to be able to review for you guys. And I loved this color. Like, it's the perfect pink. This is pretty high on my list of skates to review. So if you want to see me review the C7, let me know in the comments. Let's see what else we got. Let's do this one. Okay. I know what this one is, especially because it has all of the tags about it being imported from France. So skates from France. Can anybody guess what they are? Oh my God, they wrapped them and I never opened them at Christmas time. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. Oh my God, they wrote me a letter. Hello, dear. I hope you are doing well. It's Christmas time with Slades. Please find here your S-Quad skates, shoes. Cannot wait to see you with them. XX Tracy. Oh my God. I should have opened this earlier. I'm feeling so guilty right now, but they're still here. We got them. Oh my God, this is so sweet. So these skates were sent to me by Slades, who is actually one of my sponsors, but I don't just skate them or represent them because they sponsor me. I've been loving this brand for a very long time. I think that their skates are awesome, and here's what they look like. Let's take a look. Ooh, look at that. That's cute. I need some of those stickers. Oh my gosh, look at fanny pack. It's reflective too. Got some Slades socks. Ooh, super cute. And here we have, so these may look like they're just sneakers, but actually they're detachable skate shoes. What's awesome is that I can use the rolling part with all the different sneakers they have, including the flaneurs. And look, let me show you. So this sneaker actually attaches to any of the rolling parts that I have. So now I can change out the white sneaker, the black sneaker, Nikes and Vans, and they put the rolling part in the Nike or Vans so that it's actually all interchangeable. So thank you, Slades. I'm really excited to have my new black sneaker. I'm gonna be wearing these everywhere. If you want a review on Slades skates, I've already done it. I'll link it down below. If you're interested in buying some, use the code IndieSquad for a 10% discount, and I will also add a link down below for you to find that. Thank you, Slades. Love you guys. This one's a little obvious, but let's see. This is the Moxi Rainbow Rider, and I bought them from 5 Stride Skate Shop in Brooklyn, and I bought them so that I could test them out for you guys. These are a lower price point beginner skate, and I've gotten a lot of questions about them, so this is pretty high up on the list of skates that I want to review. So let me know, again, in the comments if that's what you want to see. All right, we got 2 more left. I have no idea what these are. I'm actually wondering if they're even skates. Let's see. Oh, it opens at the top. That's different. Oh my God.
What is that?
I forgot about these. Oh my goodness. They're just spring shoes. I have played around on these a little bit before, but I was gonna make a video with them. That's why they're sitting on the shelf. But again, I never did. So actually, if you want to see a video with me trying these, let me know. Next. All right. Last one. Here we go. Ooh, this is a good one. Oh my God. They look so beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's Mariwa's high heel roller skate. I've been super excited to try this. It's been causing a lot of controversy online, actually. People are like, that's dangerous, you're gonna break your ankle. And I'm like, I mean, you could break your ankle on anything. You know, it's a fashion skate. It's beautiful though, like, oh my gosh. I think it's really cool because for years and years and years, Mariwa made her own high heel skates. She was definitely the person that like blew up high heel skates. She was performing in them. She made it like a big thing. But a lot of her skates were made by like professional like prop makers and stuff. Years and years and years and years. People have been asking her like, where can I get high heeled skates? And it's kind of just been like, sorry, you can't. So like the customer demand for these has been there. Like people are angry that they couldn't get any and now they can. And they're made by Mariwa herself. Well, it's a collab with Impala, but I think it's really exciting. So Mariwa sent these to me as a gift and I've really been looking forward to trying them. I just want to see what I could do in them. I want to see how tricky it really is, and they're beautiful. So, oh my gosh. I can't wait to try these. These are definitely on the top of the list. If you want to see me skate in the high heel skates, let me know in the comments. So this was the last one that I had in a box, but I actually have another pair in the lockers that I haven't skated in yet. I just took them out of the box so I could store them easy. But let's see what we have here. Oh my God, they're so cute. So these are aggressive inlines and they are USD skates. It's the Blades version. And I actually won these at a skate competition in Charlotte, North Carolina that my friend Montre hosted. And I loved them. I love them. They look awesome. I don't rollerblade a ton, but it might be time to start. Oh my gosh, this is like Christmas. I feel so spoiled. But this is my job. I should stop feeling guilty. This is literally my job. I should have this many skates. But I shouldn't be sleeping on it like I am. Like, they should all have videos. Oh my gosh. This is ridiculous. All right, so let's look at what we got here. We have the Moxi Rainbow Riders, the Blades USD skates, the black Slades, the PBR novelty skates. Passed. We have the C7 pink skates and the Mariwa high heel skates. So, oh yeah, and these springy babies. These springy babies. So now it's your job to let me know in the comments below which of these skates do you want to see me test, skate on, make a video about first. Let me know. Anywho. All right, thank you guys. This was fun. Let's do it again soon. Until next time, later skaters.